long crack repair, about 17 inches long, on a Tesla. The grease is to help the tool slide along. I have one tool to start the repair and a second tool that fills in the rest of the repair. So the first tool gets the resin going into the tighter areas and allows the next tool to slide up and start filling the rest. So basically, I'm going to be filling a resin in. I'm going to a thinner velocity and a thicker velocity resin into the repair all the way to the edge. As it gets towards the edge, it's going to widen up. And then the thicker resin will take over automatically and fill in that area. As you can see, it still is filling. Just slide it along as it fills. As you can see, it's filling up all the way almost to the edge. We remove the shield to let the sun from the UV light cure the repair. All done with the repair. You're going to still see it at certain angles, but it should never grow. It'll never grow on anybody. On a Tesla.